Hi, this is Agatha. I'm one of the retail experts over at Fit Small Business, and today I'm going to walk you through Fresha. Fresha is actually a POS system made specifically for beauty and wellness establishments. It's a free online booking platform that provides incredible value for small salons, beauty, and wellness businesses. We actually recommend Fresha for salons and spas with multiple stylists because there are no added costs for bookings among multiple members. So if you have a salon business, for example, and have multiple team members across multiple locations, you can use Fresha for free without any other added costs. We also particularly find it ideal for businesses, wellness businesses that are on a limited budget because it's free, of course, but on top of being free, they offer the lowest. We actually found Fresha to offer one of the lowest credit card processing fees among POS systems. It's actually 2.19% plus 50 cents per appointment. So it's even lower than the top rated POS system, Square. And if you are a wellness business that sells retail products such as hair care products, spa products that you offer at your store and would like to sell online, Fresha actually allows you to upload inventory to your account and will provide you tools for selling online and tie it with inventory for retail selling as well. So as you can see, Fresha is very robust in terms of online booking. However, we actually found that Fresha is weak on the following departments. For example, they don't have customer support available via phone. So email is the only way to reach customer service, and they operate daily between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. across all time zones. However, we have found that user reviews have good feedback about their customer support. They were friendly and professional and really listened to customer feedback. So if you would like a more hands-on customer service and you wouldn't mind not dealing with agents over the phone, I think Fresha will still be able to provide you with excellent customer care. It does not have accounting, payroll, or chat messaging features. So even if you have multiple stylists or multiple staff or employees in your business, unfortunately, you would need to have a different payroll management software to account for their timesheets. Before we dive into the features, I'd like to discuss Fresha's pricing points. Fresha is actually free, as I've mentioned earlier. However, it comes with a few fees that are, in my opinion, very cost effective. As I've mentioned, the credit card processing fee is 2.19% plus 20 cents per appointment, and some marketing features such as email and SMS marketing campaigns are charged. I think, well, if for example you're going to do text messages, it's going to be 5 cents each per message, and if you're going to send an email to your clients, it's going to be 2 cents each email. They also have an online marketplace feature, which is like an online directory where you can promote your business. And if, for example, a client books an appointment through that marketplace, they will charge you a 20% new client fee. This fee does not apply to any return clients and if customers book through your website or social pages. I will be discussing how to avoid getting that 20% new client fee with your current clients if you're going to be signing up with Fresha later. So with regards to hardware costs, Fresha is actually compatible with any Windows or iOS devices. It also has an app available in the App Store of Apple and Google's Play Store. They're also highly rated. So I haven't seen any reports about it being clunky. It does not offer a POS register system that you can use on your physical retail store. However, you can actually get any hardware that is compatible with your existing device. Later, I will show you that you can also request a card terminal on their end, but other than that, everything else needs to be purchased separately. So signing up with Fresha is very easy. I actually just went to this particular website, Fresha.com, and then signed up. There will be like 5 questions that you need to answer. Whether what's your business name, what's your business type, where's your business location, and then set up an email and a password, and then you're done. When you actually sign up with Fresha, you will see this dashboard, which similar to this is actually my account, my free account, which details a summary of your sales, your upcoming appointments, activity, and your next appointments. So let me just walk you through the Fresha dashboard so that you'll be able to see how it looks like and works. So the first thing that you need to do when you go to the Fresha dashboard is orient yourself with the icon. So this is home, this is the calendar, where you will see an overview of all the appointments between your staff members, your stylists, if you operate with multiple stylists across all salon areas. And then this is your sales dashboard, where you can see your daily sales, the appointments that have been made, and then you can actually also export it if you want reports, sales histories, any vouchers that have been used by clients, memberships. These are actually bundles, and I'll show you later how it works or how to do that. And then product orders. Product orders are physical, the sales of your physical products that can be done in store or online. Now, this is your client information list. What I actually like about Fresha is that it has a comprehensive client list database. I actually added in an example for you to look at. So when you click on, for example, this particular client, you will be able to see the number of visits, if they have canceled, if they have a no-show fee enabled, or they paid a no-show fee, and then all the client details that you have for them. So it's very detailed and extensive. What I was trying to say earlier is for you to avoid the new client fee from the marketplace whenever you are going to, whenever a new existing client books for an appointment with you, is you need to, before you publish your profile in the marketplace, is you need to import all your existing clients to Fresha. So you just need to go here, import clients, download a file, populate your client details, and email Fresha, and they will be manually adding it for you. There's no way for us to do it ourselves from the dashboard. Another thing that I like about Fresha is among the salon POS systems that I have reviewed, it's one of the few that actually has or offers client intake forms. What are client intake forms? These are actually forms that you can send to new or existing clients about their preferences or their personal information or any specific requests for the service that they have booked. So I have made actually a few forms here So especially now with the health protocols, you might want to activate the COVID-19 form when they book, and so that they will be able to fill that out before they actually go to your salon for their appointment. And then for the booking information, you just need to fill out or customize it if you want to send it before the appointment or during the service. It's really up to you. So the forms for Fresha is it's not as robust as other platforms, the ones that offer it, but I have found that Fresha is the only one offering it for free. Others have offered it in their packages for an additional payment on top of their subscriptions. So let me just walk you through adding sections to your consultation form, for example. The first one I'm going to do the client details. So it's up to you which ones to choose. So for example, I'm going to just title it personal information. As you can see, the medical history and marketing preferences is a feature that's yet to be added. However, there is a workaround on that. If you click on custom section, you can actually do a medical history questionnaire type. So if you are familiar with Google Forms or any survey forms that are available online, it basically works the same way. You can choose, you can type a question, and then for example, you can type in, for example, if they have allergies, existing allergies, you can do a long answer form, a single answer, multiple choice, drop down, or yes or no. So, and then when you go to next step, they will just publish it, and then just give it a name. As you can see, the manual setting of the form submission or the form sent is still on the rollout. So you just need to look for before an appointment, and then you can choose the frequency. So that's it. Now, when with Fresha, you actually also have notifications enabled. So for example, if you want to have confirmation emails about their online bookings or reminder text for their upcoming online appointment, for their upcoming appointments to your salon, you can configure that there. I find it especially useful if you want to remind them of the no-show policy that you have, so that they will be aware of the fees that they will need to pay if, for example, they wouldn't be able to show up on time or need to cancel the last minute for the appointment. Now for the reviews, these are actually done by your clients, so they can leave reviews on your page, on the marketplace page of Fresha. They can leave reviews on Google. They can leave reviews, or they can leave reviews based on the link that you will be sending after an appointment, which you can actually configure in your notifications as well. So now let's go to the products section. So what I actually find refreshing for this platform is that on top of the online booking appointment, you can manage your inventory with this using their platform. So aside from selling physical products, you can actually sell it online and even order from suppliers if stocks run low, for example. Let me just show you. I have actually added a product. So for example, as you can see, the product details are very detailed. You can use a barcode. You can set up an SKU. You can even set up a brand or specify a brand. So, and set up pricing, supply price, retail, special price, total stock. And then if you will need to purchase from the supplier, you just go to purchase order and buy or order from your supplier from there, so that it will reflect on the incoming inventory. So it's very, compared to other e-commerce platforms, it's actually robust already for me. Now, when you go to the online marketplace profile, this is what I'm telling you about earlier. The marketplace profile is Fresha's directory. You have the option to list your salon business on that directory. So I actually set up a test salon business. So you just need to put in your business name, your number, your location, email, whether it's available for everyone or specific people, and then add in your a picture and then publish. That's it. And then you will see a link for your Fresha marketplace listing. This is, for example, this is an example of a Fresha listing. As you can see, I have set up a membership, which I will be talking about later on the video. Okay. And then reserve with Google. Currently, I haven't listed the test salon that I have done, but you can actually enable it, and you will be able to, customers will be able to find you on Google directories, and they can be able to reserve. You can also integrate Facebook and Instagram if you have one. And link builders are just short links that you can send specifically to your existing clients via email, via SMS, or face-to-face. If you have, like, if you are a networking place, you want to have pass on your calling cards if it's still, the norm in your area, and have the QR code with the link to whatever you want to set up. Now, what I would like to highlight is Fresha also allows you to do a product store, which you can actually just send to your clients if they want to order in advance. If they want to order products when they get to your store, or if they want to have it shipped. So I actually set up a very simple online store like this, and that's it. So you just send this link to your clients, and they will be able to purchase. So now let's go to the promote section. The deals, auto campaigns, blast campaigns, and integrations are all tools that you can use when marketing your store. Deals are like discounts. You can set up deals for specific services, percentages, and membership sales. Campaigns are the notifications that you want to send out to existing clients or new clients that have bookings. So as you can see, you can invite clients, welcome them, issue an exclusive discounts on their birthdays, or re-engage them with special discounts when they book again after 3 months, for example. Blast campaigns can be SMS or emails that you can actually send out to your clients. These are the ones that I'm talking about that have an additional fee. For example, SMS have a charge of 5 cents each SMS sent, and emails are charged 2 cents each for each email sent. The one thing that Fresha has limited features are when it comes to integrations. Right now, it only integrates with Google Analytics and Facebook. Personally, I would have wanted Fresha to include an integration with a payroll software or payroll software, a timesheet or time tracking software, especially since they don't offer that. So that might be one of your considerations if that feature is crucial for your business. The next one would be for payments. Now, for payments, you need to set this up right away so that you can access the other features, especially the product store and the inventory, because you will not be able to sell online or in store without the card processing enabled. So we actually set up the payment processing ahead of this video, and I would just like to show you that you can actually manage the no-show protection here. So we actually I have actually set it up ahead of time. So as part of your protection as a business owner, of course, we would want clients to keep their appointments. So Fresha allows you to have protection for no-show or late cancellation fees, and you can customize it according to your preferences. So it's up to you if you want to do a zero charge, a flexible policy, or a strict policy. So and then this is the card terminal that I was talking about earlier as well. You can request a card terminal from Fresha, but you would need to do it manually. There was no way for me when I tried to do it earlier to order and see the pricing for it and which brand they are actually advertising or promoting or have partnerships with. So the reports section is, I find the reports good. It's not as detailed as or have advanced settings as you will, but it's enough for a small business for you to be able to see if you're making profit, or if the sales are going down, or what's your average sale, or how are your clients doing, if you are getting more clients or are your clients not coming back, so that you can tweak your marketing and promotion. You can adjust, for example, your prices if needed, things like that. So that's how the dashboard of Fresha operates. I hope that it's clear it's very intuitive. As you can see, if you actually click on each of the icons, the categories are self-explanatory. So when you sign up with Fresha, what I would like to do first, what I would suggest you do first, is set up everything. So you go to business settings first in your Fresha account and set up your business details, billing, bank accounts, card details, locations. If you operate multiple salons or spas, put that in. And then if you want referral sources, client notifications, everything there. I would like to touch on the team members, since Fresha allows you to set up unlimited team members for your account. You can actually add a team member and then set up permissions for her. So if, for example, you go here, add your name, for example, I'll just put in Jane Doe. You can add their title, for example, senior stylist, and then notes. I don't know if you want, if, for example, she's just a freelancer or on call and everything. Employment, set up where she works, allow calendar bookings. As you can see, when you assign a team member, they will be assigned their own calendars, which they have access to. So they would need to use the Fresha app to manage their calendar as well. I haven't seen Fresha make an update, whether it can integrate to, for example, a Google Calendar and an iCloud Calendar. So you can set up commissions here as well, and team member permissions. Now, with regard to team member permissions, you need to go under the settings and review the permissions first. Fresha has a low, medium, high permission level, and you get to decide which ones you want to activate. So it's up to you. Now you will have staff, that's, for example, the receptionist or the stylist. You can restrict permissions, like the receptionist would not be able to see the account setup or the reports, and then multiple stylists or cannot see, for example, consultation forms. I don't know, it's up to you. So that's that. And then for the memberships, this is how you can actually do memberships for Fresha. Memberships are not really memberships like classes, but when you think about bundles, like buy one get one, or have like a membership for 6 months. For example, if you're a spa that offers massages, you can offer like a bundle of 6 massages to be consumed in 3 months, for example. And then you can create a membership for that. Specify the sessions if you want a one-time fee or recurring payment on top of their sign-up date, for example, tax rates, if you want to enable online sales, or it needs to be done in store via this app, and any terms and conditions. Now for online sales, when you click on create membership, you will be given a link, and that's where you will be able to promote the bundle that you're selling. So as you can see, it's easy. You can actually just send it as a blast message, whether SMS or email, or generate a QR code and send it to your clients, or embed that into your website. So that's it. That's how the dashboard of Fresha looks like, and how some of the features work. I hope you found the video helpful. We actually have a detailed Fresha review on our Fit Small Business site. You will be able to find the link to that article on the caption in this video below. I also would like to invite you to read the buyer's guide that we have for salon POS systems. Fresha actually made it as one of our top picks for salon POS systems. And if Fresha would not be suitable for what you need based on what I have walked you through, you will be able to explore other POS systems with that buyer's guide. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment on our video. Thank you.